Hello! This is a loom. You might be wondering, what is this? This is actually a loom and a knitting loom. So the things go around each peg and then you just overlay, put over the top, and it becomes like a knitting element. So I haven't tried it myself yet, but I thought I'm going to show you, and I'm going to thank my Sasha fan, for sending to me such a wonderful gift, the Serenity Loom. So you can knit blankets, shawls, scarves, anything you'd like really. I'm going to do some projects like knitting projects with this very soon, but for now I thought I'm going to just give you a little bit of dance. It does look like an instrument of something, isn't it? Isn't it, honey owl?
Yes, of course.
I like the color.
Yes.
It's like the eyes of honey owl.
Maybe.
Maybe your eyes are these ones actually. It's called Serenity Loom or Infinity Loom. As you can see, it's an 8 shape, but also an infinity shape. That's why it's called Infinity, as well as Serenity Loom. A big kiss for all of my fans, which I'm thinking about you all the time. So stay tuned, subscribe and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me. Love you. See you in the next video.